Hi Sharks, I'm Christmas Kurt, Chief Artificial Christmas Tree Farmer at Eazy Treezy, the world's easiest Christmas tree. Now, I know it's Christmas, but where are all the decorations for the tank? Mark, did you forget to put up the tree again?
Always.
Maybe all we need is a little Christmas magic. Does anybody know any elves? Oh, there they are, the Eazy Treezy elves! I bet they can help. Let's turn this tank into a holiday masterpiece. Eazy Treezy was invented to solve the headaches of putting up an artificial Christmas tree. Our trees are extremely light and go up extremely quickly all by yourself. Our memory wire, patent-pending cone technology features an industry-first electromagnetic lighting system. Securely snaps together and instantly illuminates the lights.
Wow.
Now, let's talk decorating. We have a designer collection that ships completely decorated, right out of the box, all the ornaments attached. Sets up in under a minute, and you are done with your Christmas tree. Love to decorate with those cherished ornaments you've collected over a lifetime? No problem. Eazy Treezy has a natural collection that allows you to decorate the trees any way you like, and what's best is once you attach the ornaments, you can actually store them attached so that next year they're ready to go.
Wow.
Wow.
Now, what's the worst part about the holidays? When they're over and we have to take everything down. Lucky for us, with Eazy Treezy, it goes down as fast as it went up and conveniently stores hung in closets, under beds, or laid on shelves thanks to our lay flat technology.
Wow.
Now, our tank looks like a cozy holiday home, and I haven't even had enough time to tell you how much money I want. So about that, I'm looking for $400,000 for 10% of my company to help put an Eazy Treezy in every living room across America.
Electrifying, right? Providing electricity around that circle. Now, that's something that could be patentable.
It seems like, this is one of those inventions where maybe you don't bring it to market yourself, right?
Yeah.
Maybe this is one you put in your back pocket and shop around,
Right.
because it's got to be hard to play with the big boys in this field, I would imagine.
Yeah. Yep.
I'm guessing it's cool, like maybe incrementally better, but maybe that's worth something to one of these manufacturers who are already in the marketplace, right?
Totally.
Then would be difficult.
Yep. Absolutely. And just like trademarks, patents, I mean, they're IP assets. You can license them out, you can sell them on the free market. And doesn't necessarily mean you have to be, even though you're the inventor, you don't have to be the one to go to market with it.